In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. Now, managing your finances can be a breeze with the right help, and inviting your accountant to access your QuickBooks is a great step in ensuring smooth financial operations. So let's get started with the process, shall we? To begin, you need to access your QuickBooks Online account. You can either sign up if you haven't already created an account or simply log in. If you're signing in, head over to the QuickBooks Online sign in page. Enter your account details and proceed with logging in. Once you're on the home page, let's move to the important task of inviting an accountant. Start by navigating to the settings, which you can find as a gear icon at the top right. This icon will lead you to various options related to your QuickBooks account setup. In the settings dropdown, look for Manage Users and click on it. From here, you have a clear path ahead. Click on Add User. At this point, you'll see options regarding the type of user you want to add. Since we're focused on inviting an accountant, we will take appropriate steps for that. Now, you should input the necessary personal information of your accountant. Pay attention here to ensure all details are correct to avoid any hassle later. Now, let's talk about assigning the role. In QuickBooks Online, it's crucial to assign the right roles to users to ensure they have the access they need. In this case, you'll want to assign the role specifically for an accountant. You will find this under the User Roles section, so select it accordingly. Once that's done, the final step is to send an invite. You can do this by clicking on the Send Invite button. This will dispatch an invitation to your accountant, granting them access to your QuickBooks Online company file, where they can help manage your business finances more effectively. There may come times when you need to remove an accountant's access. To do this, navigate back to the Manage Users section, find the small drop-down arrow or the trash/bin icon next to the accountant's name you wish to remove. Click on it and select Delete User or Remove Access to revoke their credentials immediately. Finally, to ensure that all changes have been successfully saved, refresh the page. You might want to check your email as well to confirm you've received notifications from QuickBooks regarding the changes carried out. And there you have it. You've now successfully managed access for your accountant in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more of our content for other useful tips. Thanks for watching.